If you look at smartphones around 30,000, you will see a lot of options, but none of them is a good all-rounder. But this phone, the last year launched Oppo Reno 14, can give you a good value for money and a all-rounder experience for 32,000. It has glass back, metal frame, a thin size with lightweight IP69, and the display size is 6.59 inch, so it's not that much big, neither a totally compact phone. In hand feel with the build and the size is great. So for the price point you get a premium feeling good display phone. The performance also good with the 8 GB LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. It is smoother and even overperform many other phones around 30k. You can easily play long sessions, but there is a catch. It definitely get warm due to its size. The battery is not the biggest, but 6000 mAh is pretty much more than standard, and with the 80-watt inbox charger you can definitely full charge it in a very small time. It also has the latest Android 16 base ColorOS 16 that is smooth, very fluent, had lot of features, but there is a debate about the updates. Oppo saying it will get 5 years. It has triple camera setup with a dedicated 50 megapixel telephoto sensor and a 50 megapixel selfie with autofocus. Yes, there is a big competitor, the Nothing Phone 4a. It also has a telephoto sensor. It has a good performance too with clean UI. None of them have NFC or eSIM support, but Oppo has the disadvantages with inbuilt bloatwares and lot of pre-installed apps and games that make the experience a little bit cheap. Also, it has dual stereo speaker, but the quality is not the best. It is actually below average when you compare to other smartphone at the price point. So, what will you pick? Either you can go for other phones with dedicatedly targeted specific feature, or you can spend a little more and at 32,000 you will get the Oppo Reno 14, which according to me is a pretty good deal.